Hello lovelies, today we are making chocolate cupcakes. Very moist and easy to make. If you want to know how I made this, keep watching and don't forget to like and leave me a comment. Thank you, and let's get started. First, I will combine my dry ingredients. I will go in with my flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and pinch of salt. I will mix to combine and set it aside. I will write all the measurements in the description box. Next, I will combine all my wet ingredients. I will crack in 1 egg in my bowl, milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. I will combine thoroughly and set it aside. I will proceed by combining the wet and the dry ingredients together. I will mix it properly. Next, I will go in with half cup of hot water. The hot water will help to melt the cocoa powder. Once that is done, next I will scoop it in with my ice cream scoop. If you have watched till this point, please give this video a thumbs up and share. Thank you. Once that is done, next I will transfer it in my preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until it is done. You guys, this recipe is super simple. Give it a try. And that is it for today's video. I hope you find happiness in watching today's video. For me, I find happiness in every dish. Thank you and bye.